Welcome students in the another video session of life insurance. Today we are going to see the various features of life insurance. Life insurance plays a very important role in our life as it covers the risk of an individual. Risk may happen at any time. But if you are insured, then the risk is going to be covered by the insurance company. So here we are going to study the various features of life insurance through our PPT.
In this slide, we are going to study about main elements or features of life insurance. Under this topic, we are going to cover 4 points: valid contract, utmost good faith, insurable interest, not a contract of indemnity. For a valid contract, there should be two parties, insurer and the insured. There must be a contract between them. What is contract? The things decided between these two peoples, and if they put signature, then we call it as a valid contract. Means they are ready to obey the terms and conditions of the policy. You getting the point? So that is a valid contract. There should be a valid contract. Unless and until if there is no valid contract, insurance doesn't take place. So first of all, valid contract should be there. See, those clips or things are decided in the paper, and then they used to put a signature. This is valid contract. Means the terms and conditions are agreed by both the parties. Next is utmost good faith. There should be good faith between them, between the two parties. They are not supposed to hide anything. The insurer has to speak openly without hiding anything to the opponent. Similarly, the insured also give full details to the insurer without any hiding. So this is called utmost good faith, not hiding information from each other. This is called utmost good faith. When we have good faith, then only contract will work. I want to see this video. This video belongs to life insurance. It gives the message that how it protects the life of an individual.
न चिंता ना फिकर ना है डर, ये वादा है हमारा हर दम हर कदम। धूप छाँव में भी हम साथ साथ हैं, साथ हैं। जीवन के हर पल में पास है।
I hope you got a wonderful message through these video clips. Next point is insurable interest. Although after having faith, we should have interest also. When the people or the insured having faith on the company, then only it is possible to have a contract. It is possible to sign a contract between the parties. So interest should be there, or inner feeling, inner interest should be there. Then only the insured, he or she can sign the agreement. And next point is not a contract of indemnity, because we all know general insurance works on the principle of contract of indemnity, whereas in life insurance there is no contract of indemnity, because we can't assess the life of an individual into a percentage. In property, we can assess that this much of loss happens, 20% loss happens, 40% loss happens, 60% loss happen. But here in life, life is life. If there is no life, everything ends. So we can't assess the life of a particular person, or we can say we can't measure the life of a particular person in terms of money, in terms of percentage. That a person died 20%, that the person died 40%. Like this, not possible in life insurance. It is only possible in general insurance category. So that's why it is said the life insurance doesn't follow the contract of indemnity.
This is all about the features of life insurance. I hope you understood what is all about life insurance and its feature. We will meet you in another video session to explore our new knowledge.